In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to live stream to TikTok using OBS Studio. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting your journey, this guide will help you get your stream set up in no time. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to make sure you have the OBS Studio application open on your computer. OBS Studio is a powerful tool that gives you a lot of control over your live streams, and it's free, which is fantastic. If you don't have it already, you can easily download it from the official OBS website and install it. With OBS Studio open, our next step is to head over to the Settings menu. You'll find this option in the bottom right corner of the application window. Click on it, and a new window will pop up. This is your command center, where you'll configure everything to make your stream run smoothly. Inside the Settings window, look for the Stream option on the left menu. Click on Stream, and you'll be taken to a page where you can set up how and where you stream. If you've streamed before, some of these settings might look familiar, but if this is your first time, don't worry. I will walk you through it. On the Stream page, you'll find a section labeled Services. By default, OBS supports streaming to popular platforms like Twitch and YouTube. However, since we're targeting TikTok today, you'll need to choose a custom option tailored for this. Under Services, click the drop-down menu and select Custom. This allows you to manually input the details required to connect directly to TikTok's servers. Essentially, you're specifying exactly where you want your stream to be sent. The next step is crucial. You need to input the RTMP URL and stream key. These pieces of information are what connect your OBS stream to your TikTok account. You usually obtain these details directly from TikTok when you start setting up a live stream event on their platform. Be mindful not to share your stream key with anyone, as it acts like a password for your streaming session. Once you've entered the RTMP URL and stream key into the respective fields, take a moment to double-check that everything is correct. Making sure these settings are accurate will save you a lot of troubleshooting later. And that's it. You're now ready to go live on TikTok through OBS Studio. Feel free to experiment with various customization features in OBS to enhance your stream, such as adding overlays, adjusting audio settings, or playing with visual filters. The possibilities are endless, and with a bit of practice, you'll be streaming like a pro in no time. Happy streaming!